guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be tidying up this area here, kitchen, dining room, family room space. I need to tidy up the patio as well because it's really dusty out there. And I have this patio heater that I am going to set up because it's starting to get really cold outside. It is really cold in the mornings and at night, and I do like to spend my mornings on the patio and have my coffee. So having this heater is really going to help with that. And we also like to eat dinner on the patio. Like sometimes we do date night. And we definitely need to have some heat out there if we're going to be eating at night on the patio. And I have some more items from Walmart that I'm going to share with you guys because they are having some really great deals for Black Friday, and the items I'm going to share are a part of those deals. And Walmart's Black Friday deals are happening starting November 11th through November 17th. And I have to give them a really big thanks for sponsoring today's video. But yeah, I just wanted to pull out the vlogging camera for this video because it's been a while since I've done a video vlog style. I have a lot of stuff out on the counters because I did record like a holiday gift guide. So I still have these products out and I was just playing around with decor. I really don't like when it looks like this in the mornings. Normally I would like tidy this stuff up at night, but I just didn't feel like it last night. I had no energy. Oh, and if you're wondering what's going on here, so I have these new counter stools. I was only able to find 2. I need 2 more. The kids can be really messy eaters and like spill food a lot. So this time around, I said I'm gonna just have them like sit on the chairs, but I'm going to cover them. I definitely want to get rid of these, but I'm just going to hold on to them for now because we still need somewhere to sit. We tend to sit here and eat instead of at the table. Now, as far as this situation here, I have these 2 chairs in here because I used to have this one in this corner, and then I got this one from Walmart, but I don't know if I'm going to keep it in here. I think I'll just put one of these chairs, you know, in my daughter's room, create her a little cozy reading area because she loves to just sit and read books like all day. So I was thinking about creating like her a like cozy reading corner, but I just need to tidy the space up because it's pretty messy. So let's go ahead and get started. I have 4 more items I got on Walmart. This water bottle is fantastic for keeping track of your water intake. It holds 64 ounces of water and is labeled with hydration markers to help you keep track of your water intake throughout the day. I love this color and it comes in black as well. It's a really great find for less than $10. And then I picked up this Keurig single serve coffee maker. This is great for those of you who like quick and simple coffee and you don't mind using the pods. The one I have on my counter only uses fresh whole beans or pre-ground coffee. It's very nice, but you will spend a bit more time at your coffee station. With this one, you will have your coffee in minutes and you can immediately brew a second cup without waiting for it to reheat. It has simple button controls for 6, 8, or 10 ounces. It will turn off automatically after 5 minutes to save energy. And if you want to use ground coffee with this, you can because it is compatible with the reusable coffee filters. This comes in a variety of colors and it's a great deal for under $50. I am wearing the last 2 items, so I have these sweatpants and this sweatshirt, and it doesn't come as a set. It's sold separately for under $25 and it comes in 6 different colors. I'm 5'4" and I weigh 122 pounds, and I got them both in a size small. I love the cargo pockets on the sweatpants and the elastic waist, and I love the look of the funnel neck with the half zip style of this sweatshirt. So those are some of the Black Friday deals that I like on Walmart. I will have them linked in the description box if you're interested and want to check them out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean these spaces and do some decorating. I'm not completely sure I'll be able to finish everything I want to tackle right now because today is Halloween. Happy Halloween, and the kids will be home soon. We have to go trick-or-treating, and recording makes the cleaning and decluttering process take so much longer. I'm starting this kind of late as well because my son had a Halloween parade at his school this morning, so I had to go to that. I think I'll be able to get most of it done before I run out of time, but I hope you enjoy watching. So I went ahead and cleaned the dining and family room first, and now I'm going to add in the decor because I do need to clear off this countertop before trying to tackle the kitchen. So I was able to declutter the countertop, but by that time everyone was home and the kitchen was in use. It was starting to get really busy in there. So I went ahead and put pause on that and went out to work on the patio heater. My plan was to record the setup process, but when I went to change the angle of the camera, I forgot to hit record and I didn't capture any of that footage, but it was really easy to assemble. Good morning, guys. It is the next day and we are just getting the propane tank in here. Didn't have time to do this last night, but I have my husband here helping me out with that, and then we're gonna turn it on and see how it works. So what you're gonna do is turn the knob to high right there, counterclockwise, and then you're just gonna ignite it. Yeah, I don't know if you guys heard that, but yeah, it did turn on, but you're gonna just hold it for like what, 10 seconds, I believe. Yeah, and then you're gonna release it and put it on low and let that sit. I believe it says for about 10 minutes before you change it to whatever temperature you want it at. Oh, it's really hot. It's on high right now and you can really feel that heat, which is perfect, and you can see it too. You can see how it's starting to darken because of the heat. And that's it, really easy. When we're using it, we're gonna have it a bit closer to the table. I don't want to have it too close to this tent. We put this up because we needed something to just like block the sun, and when it's raining we need something here, and I didn't want to go and invest in some like fancy gazebo type of thing for this house, and I don't even think we can install those in, you know, military housing. So my husband had this tent and we decided to just put it up. It's a good fit and it really helps with the sun because it can get really hot, and sometimes it's just not pleasant being out here on the patio trying to enjoy the space when the sun is just like right in your face. But I'm not gonna tidy up the patio in this video because I just don't have time. I didn't get a chance to do it yesterday. I ran out of time, you know, trick-or-treating and all of that. I'm gonna save this space for a different video because I really need to get the footage I already have uploaded. And again, I want to give Walmart a really big thanks for partnering with me on this video. I will have those items linked so you can go and check them out. And these spaces look so much better without all of the clutter everywhere. I do want to update the dining room chairs as well. If you've been here for a while, then you already know this. I've been searching, but I just haven't come across anything that I really love, and I'm not in love with this style anymore, so I do want to update those. I know it looks kind of tacky in here with all of these different chairs. I know I'll find exactly what I'm looking for when the time is right, but I'm just not in that big of a rush, especially in this house. I did go back and tidy up the kitchen a bit last night and this morning, and the family room looks good. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'll do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.